Logto offers a comprehensive enterprise SSO solution, fast-tracking B2B products to enterprise-ready identity systems. To enable single sign-on, navigate to the Sign-in Experience section, switch to the Sign Up and Sign In tab. You will find the toggle switch for Enable Enterprise Single Sign-On. Turn it on and simultaneously you will notice the appearance of the single sign-on entry in the preview on the right side. This indicates that SSO has been activated in the sign-in and sign-up flows. Then navigate to the Enterprise SSO page. You can create enterprise connectors for each of your clients to integrate their identity providers. Click in the Create Enterprise Connectors button. You can see that we offer standard SSO connection methods for both OIDC and SIMO, along with out-of-box connectors. In this example, we choose the Microsoft Entra ID, give it a name, and then click the Create Connector button. Next, we enter the details page of the newly created connector, where a step-by-step guide is available for easy follow-through. First, go to the Azure portal. Assuming we already have an Azure account, click on Enterprise Applications, then New Application. Create your own application by entering the app's name and selecting the option to integrate any other application you don't find in the gallery. After creating an application, if you want users to log into that app, you first need to manually assign the user to the app. Go to Users and Groups, click Add User Group, and select yourself from the user list for subsequent testing. After completion, you will see that you have been successfully assigned to the app. Then configure the SIMO connection. Go to the Single Sign-On tab, select SIMO as the SSO method and enter the settings page. Configure the basic SIMO configuration by adding the entity ID and reply URL. Retrieve the corresponding values from Logto's provided guide and fill them in. Then click Save. Then insert the generated metadata URL into Logto's Microsoft Entra ID connector. Logto will read the necessary configurations from it. Once configured successfully, a preview will be visible. Next, configure attribute mapping. The ID has already been configured, so we can skip it. Go to Entra ID's attribute and claims. To find the corresponding claims for name and email, and fill them in Logto. Click Save when done. The connection for Logto's Microsoft Entra ID connector is now configured. Next, we need to enable it in the end-user flow. Go to the SSO Experience tab and enter the domain of the user group's email. This will direct enterprise users to their respective identity providers. Here, we can also configure the display name and icon for this SSO connector when shown to end users. Save changes. We have already finished the configuration of this connector. Finally, use Live Preview to test the user's single sign-on flow and enjoy the out-of-box auth experience. You can either click the Single Sign-On button or directly enter the email to initiate the SSO flow. It will redirect to Microsoft's page, complete the authorization, and return to Logto to complete the SSO login process. After completing SSO, you can return to the user management page in the admin console, where you will see the new user who just logged in through SSO. In the video, we showcased just a glimpse of Logto's single sign-on capabilities through the example of Microsoft Entra ID. Logto is an identity and access management solution, highly favored by developers and advanced SaaS users. Register for Logto Cloud now to experience our SSO features.